Now that you have a company, that you have a good product, that you have a good website, that you have pretty good everything, like even an MVP, sales, everything. What you need now is money. Now for that, you need investors, right? You already created a pitch deck. Now, in those meetings, or let's say you have meetings with other people other than investors, you would need to take notes. You would need to know what requirements are and a lot of other stuff. So if you are a person or a company that is going to do a lot of meetings, here is a perfect AI for you. Okay, so this is Crisp AI. Okay, this is actually one of the best AI tools for your meetings. You might have heard a lot like Otter AI and all that, even Google's own or Zoom's own meeting, but this is just another level, right? Even I personally use this. It removes noises in the background. It can record meetings, and it can literally record meetings without even joining the meeting like other tools, and it can join the meetings too, so you can let people other know that you are recording, like RaulTheRockstar note taker joined and stuff. It automatically transcribes different languages. They work with already big companies like GitHub, VMware, Sony, Cisco, a lot of big companies, Sketchers and stuff. But still it's pretty underrated, not gonna lie, compared to Otter and all, which everyone knows about. So the accent conversation, yes, it converts accent from, let's say, Indian accent to US accent. So, hey mate, I can talk like this too, you know. It converts the accent so other people will be able to understand, like from India to British and all. This is actually a sick tool which you have to try out. And the best thing is that it's a freemium plan. So there is free and paid options. There is pro, there is business, pure 40 days, no credit card, everything is there. But other than that also there are a lot of free stuff. So as you can see here, there's a lot of free stuff that I'm using, like recording live, send bot. There are a lot of paid features here as well, not gonna lie. But free, you actually have a lot of stuff. So yeah, you can check this out, Crisp, if you do join a lot of meetings. So another thing is creating advertisements, okay? Now you'll be like, Raul, how can I create advertisements with AI? There is a lot of ways. Now here is one of the advertisement that I really love, that is created by Siddhant and all. And I love what they did for Nike, okay? And I just love it. I'm like, wow, how did they even do that, okay? So sick. Harry, look at this. This AI.
Run in the sun. You've got this lovely, lovely feeling when you run in the sun.
Okay. Now you saw that most of the Nike ads are like this, right? They don't show off the shoe as much. They show a human emotion so you can connect with them. So here, that's what they're doing. And this was with VO2. So imagine with VO3 what they could have done. Like, I feel something else. So I just want to show you how you can combine music. In that video, I think even the music was AI generated. So you don't get copyright even, right? So that is what we will be doing right now. So to generate music, the best AI is just Suno AI. And I'm not going to create like a food ad and all. That is your duty. But compared to Sora, compared to everything, the best is VO, right? Just click create with VO. And I do have the paid version. Now, if you want something more free, there is a free tool which you can use that will do a similar thing, but totally for free. It will do in VO3 level quality. It will at least try to. But for that, I will share it with you guys in the link of the course or something description, because it's a tool that you should check it out on your own. Okay. But right now, I'm going to show you an example of what we can do with VO3. Now, with add a prompt like who is saying it and action and all. I'll go over more on how prompt engineering is going to work here, how it is supposed to talk and all, right? Like how we are supposed to talk to AI. So that we'll be doing that. UI designer, creative, Glower. Like describe the video content and action of that person, putting this into a AI text to video. So once you tell this, it actually generates the full thing. No, just one line with a character doing like a cat on top of a sofa saying. So I think it didn't understand. That's right. I'm just going to explain. Casually lounging on a sofa, she holds up a transparent tablet showing a vibrant. Who knew doing math could be so damn aesthetic? So let's do this. I think this is a little bit more towards the complicated style, but like, who cares? Let's see. Just put this in, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So once this is done, we can actually go through the next step. Now we are at 85% on the first video. Let's see about the video. I'm excited as hell. Now Flow is just one of the places, but you can easily go through other websites, like directly generate through Gemini. Okay. Now if you want to use VO2 for free, VO3 it's kind of impossible not to use it. But here you can just go on video and try it here. Because I have premium, I get this. But if you want VO2 for free, like the example I showed first, you can easily just go to Google Studio. Yeah, Google Studio is just like literally the best place which everyone should know about. Like it has everything. You can like share your screen with AI and all. This feature, before it came to Gemini and all, it was here. Like talk, webcam. Actually a really fun place. So here, generate media. You can generate videos and all. There is no limit like itrange, but like there is a limit in a way says that maybe after 10 videos or 2 videos, there's no strict limit of that, right? So you can come here, create videos with VO2. Oh, here.
Who knew doing math could look this damn aesthetic?
Harry, look at this.
Who knew doing math could look this damn aesthetic?
Look at this also.
Who knew doing math could look this damn aesthetic?
Actually, right? VO3 is actually so good. So to create music for your advertisement, you can use a lot of AI tools. My personal favorite is Suno AI. Yes, you can download from online, right? Support artists as well. You can do that, and that's not a bad thing. But if you want like a copyright song and it's just starting out for your ad and it just should just feel good, right? And you don't want to waste time searching for the perfect thing, this is literally it. Like I literally love this AI. Okay, so this is Suno. Harry, how is this? Good, right? All these are AI.
I will not repeat.
Nice, right? All these are AI. So what I did is that here you can do random, but you can also upload your own lyrics. You can upload your own song and audio, so it will convert it. So I'll actually sound better. So I wrote this prompt. Yeah, my spelling not the best. So a song about awesome calculator and a dog and a cat. Okay, I want to see, because here I did dogs already, our camera, right? Anyway, so just click on create. So this is Suno AI. You can do it in mostly any languages, English and all that. Anyway, I wanted to do this for fun. You can generate just instrumental, so you can use it as background music as well. So not just lyrics. Let's hear it. Harry, how's this? How is this?
Okay. My calculator's got swagger. It knows how to add. It's never
Look at camera.
a cat by my side, tail like a wand. Nine equations of wants beyond. Buttons click.
Okay, there are two. Okay, which one do you like better? Do you like this or the last one? Huh?
My calculator's got swagger. It knows how to add digits dancing. It's never bad. A cat by my side.
Okay, I don't want to make it too boring, but it's actually good, right? So you can actually turn on instrumental mode and just create the background music for your ad. So let's hear this. Hopefully it is AI. Imagine if it is not AI, I'm like, scroll. How's the tune? No lyrics. Like, I could actually use this in an ad. Like, this is the power of Suno AI. Yes, there are premium and all, but like, there is 760 credits that you have. There are, for free, you can do a lot with this. And that's why I like Suno AI, right? So now you can just download all this, combine together and create your own advertisement. See, the reason I'm not going too in depth and showing you how to do all this is that this is not a course just for that, right? We are covering a lot of stuff. Now, I am going to teach you how this is done, what is the best way to prompt these AIs to get the best result. It's up to you to put it together. Now, yes, now that I said that, we'll be going on how AI creates images and trains images next.
Dude, this angle is crazy.
Okay, anyway, welcome to day 9 and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Today, why am I shaking? Okay, today you guys learned how to add AI in your meetings. Imagine, did you guys know that? And also you guys learned literally how to create a full advertisement with AI. How crazy is that, Josh?
That is very much crazy, but don't ask me anything right now. I am barely.
Okay, we use this similar AI to create ads for our Rescue AI too. You can check out Rescue's Instagram page, marketing. Anyway, that's it. Check out the WhatsApp group. You guys know the trick. Use this coupon code from Oxygen if you want the best phones, the best stuff. My head is hurting. Anyway, for the best coupon codes, for the best prices, for the best laptops, phones, check out this coupon code. Go to Oxygen and yeah, go to Leap platform if you want to chat with me live while these classes are going on. I chat with everyone there as well. And this is all part of ThinkCraft. You guys, I think, already know that. And also don't forget to use this hashtag to share your feedbacks and what was it? And if you guys want to take note every day what all you guys learn, do check that out. And what is next? Okay, that's it for my guys. My name is Raul. You are watching RaulTheRockstar. Your hand is hurting, right?
That is very much hurting. Please stop now. And
Okay, and peace out.